In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz using Jotform. If you're looking for an efficient and straightforward way to build a quiz, Jotform offers an excellent toolset, and we're about to dive right into it. The process is quite simple and involves a few steps with Jotform's intuitive applications, making quiz creation an absolute breeze. Let's begin by building the foundation of your quiz with the form builder. This is where you'll create your form and input all the questions you want in your quiz. You'll have the option to use various field types for your questions, including multiple choice, single choice, and drop-down fields. Depending on what suits your quiz format best, these formats will allow you to design your quiz effortlessly, while ensuring it aligns with the style you envision. Once you've compiled your questions and your form is ready, it's time to head over to the Quizform app. Now, it's important to note that the Quizform app is a separate tool that can be found at quizform.jotform.io. You'll need to log in using your Jotform account details to access this tool. It's a dedicated space specifically designed for turning your forms into quizzes, which makes the entire process smooth and streamlined. After logging in, the next step is to select the form you have just built. This is an essential step because it's the form that you'll transform into a quiz. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple forms in your Jotform account, to avoid any mix-ups. Now onto setting the correct answers and scoring, which is a pivotal part of the quiz setup process. The Quizform app provides an interface that allows you to mark which answers are correct. This setup is crucial as it determines how your quiz is evaluated. Additionally, you have the choice to either show quiz takers their score immediately upon completion or to keep it hidden until you decide to reveal it. This option is great for controlling the quiz taking experience and managing how feedback is provided to the participants. Once you have everything set up, the final step is to save your work and share the quiz with your audience. Jotform facilitates easy sharing, so your quiz can reach your intended participants with ease, whether you're sharing it via email, embedding it on a website, or distributing it through other channels. And there you have it. By using Jotform's Quizform app, creating a quiz is not only simple, but also allows for flexibility and control over the quiz-taking experience. Thank you for joining today's tutorial and happy quiz making.